Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect this mounting bracket with a large commercial grade screen. The problem is that the actual screen has a 200 by 200 VESA mount, whereas the mounting bracket is a 75 by 75 and also by 100 to 100 millimeter VESA. So you need to somehow have an adapter. As you can see, this is the 200 by 200 VESA dimensions, which is standard for commercial grade screens or larger size screens. So what you need is this Brateck Vesa adapter. So it will convert the 100 to 100 to a 200 by 200. It's basically an adapter that allows you to connect the two devices together. And this is what allowed me to connect the bracket and the screen, so that I was able to use this as using the mounting bracket, which is a gas strut, and this is the actual adapter. So I'm going to show you once I put it together and the final results. But this is how you do it. So as you can see here, it fits perfectly on the screen, and then you've got the other holes where you will be installing it onto the bracket, just like this. Okay, I'll install it all together and then I'll show you how it looks like. This is the final product. It's all connected. So it's connected to the gas strut bracket, and then it's also connected to the adapter, and it's all holding up. Now if you're looking for the same adapter, this is the one that I've used. It's a Brateck Vesa adapter that supports 23 to 42 inch, and in terms of the weight, it supports the weight as well. Now if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.